These are the Nike Vision low top sneakers. It's the midnight navy blue and white hair. These are really great shoes. I usually wear the Nike Air Force Ones, and these are very similar to them. Just a couple different things here. Like in the back, it says Nike. Has a little bit different from the Air Force Ones, but the fit is the same. The look is the same. I really like the front here, how it just goes around here, just kind of like the Air Force Ones do. But overall, I'm very happy with these shoes. They look really nice. They hold up really well, just like the Air Force Ones. They stay clean really good, and they're just made very well. You can see here the bottom, it's just made very similar. And if you're a fan of the Air Force Ones, you definitely want to check out these Vision sneakers. Really very nice quality. I really like the colors. I have a lot of different colors and match them just to different outfits, but again, this is the midnight navy blue and the white. It just contrasts really nicely, and just overall really happy with these shoes. Definitely will be buying them again next time I see a different color that I like here, and highly recommend picking these up.